Pretty. Hey guys. We're vlogging. Pero lang gusto ko mag-start mag-vlog eh. Vlogging the college life. College life. Bag, I'm gonna show you. This is my bag. I'm gonna show you what's inside. Each one.
Yung bag. Maganda siya eh, kulay blue. I want pink. Anyways guys, so this is my bag. I'm gonna show you what's inside my bag. Ganda lang na vlog. So first, meron akong ID. Alam mo, hindi to kasha sa ako ko. Kaya tinanggal ko na lang. Ganito nga siya. Oo, diba? Kaso, hindi siya nagka-open dyan. So, I have my supply. Kasi lang naman case. I have my fan. How much is that? This one? Yeah. This is 3,599 pesos. Check! But I bought it on sale. So, ano lang siya? 2,900. 3,000. Meron din akong traditional fan. Ay, wow. Traditional. Grabe talaga mga modern. How come your bag is the only one that's not color pink? You know why? Because I don't have a lot of pink bags. Parang konti lang yung pink bags ko. Kaya gusto ko yung bumili ng pink bag. So, ito yun na. Pero yung this is my pencil case. Matagal na to eh. Matagal yung bago na yun. Ano ba? Nag-vlog ako kanina. Ikaw mag-vlog. So guys, ito yung favorite, yung pencil case ko. Makikita niyo sa loob, puro pink. Yeah. Ay, maliban dito sa Mongol. And this is my favorite highlighter. This is from Monami highlighter. And it's pink. Gusto natin doon tayo tumira. So, this one is my face mask. Pink. Tapos pag open mo, pink ulit. Not joking guys, it's pink as well. Can I see? Ito yung bago eh.
Miss Hannah. Yes. I'm going to interview you.
No, sorry. I'm too busy right now. I'm
Okay.
playing Zombie Plants vs. Zombies. Grabe.
Okay.
Malaking tulong sa...
Say hi. I'm gonna show this to your wedding.
God, nangyari?
I'm gonna show this to your wedding. Selfie muna tayo, ma'am. Selfie muna tayo, ma'am. Ma'am, selfie muna tayo, ma'am.
Ayoko.
Okay.
I'm too famous for this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're here at FEU.
SMOA. And you.
UE. UST. Ganito guys sa college.
Gusto ko may Japanese girl. With the side bangs.
Sige nga, side bangs.
Ito nga, pero hindi pa siya naayos. Dapat maayos.
Kinchana.
Oh, mate! Matagdag talaga! Hindi ka ba? Social lang ako.
Marga. Papakita ko to sa magiging anak mo. Hi guys! This is your mom. And this is the mom. The other mom.
Who is the mom?
You.
I am not a mom.
And this is the father. Because she doesn't want to be a mom.
Ay, kita ka pala isa!
And the Britney song is on, and the Britney song is on. So put my hands up to play my song, put it one night away. Bobbing my head like
Gagi ka! Yung iPad ko! Bye everybody! Yeah.
Take a picture of me. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Woo!
So parang similar lang siya sa types of inorganic and organic reactions. So your enzymes also are classified based on what type of reaction they catalyze. So number 1 is
Nasa 200 na, i-use mo i-ganun ng very light kasi baka
Pa-left.
pataas ako na ganun.
ito alpha na daw 6 carbon or carbon number 5. Tama ba? Yan yun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So kapag P,
Tama naman na.
Zero, one, two, bawal ka muna. Ano ka pa?
Peak wellness. Ano ma-achieve mo? High level of wellness. Tama?
Fit tayo sa civilian rules. Kasi nga
Hi guys! Hey! Unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. I'm a whole new world, 100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. Every turn I surprise.